Have you ever been ready to start creating content for your own YouTube channel, only to hit a snag because you feel your background choices are less Hollywood set and more awkward family photo? If your video space isn't as Pinterest-worthy as you'd like, or not quite the dreamy backdrop you wanted, don't worry, because this video is tailor-made for you. We're going to turn your video background worries into wins with just 3 simple tools, some AI technology, and a bit of creativity. And the best part? It can be done completely free, but your better options will probably cost you a little bit, so you do have a choice. And at the end, I'll show you another low-cost option that will save you loads of time and less DIY-type creativity, so make sure you stay till the end of this video to see that. So grab your laptop or mobile phone, because we're about to learn how to transform your video space into something spectacular. Here's what's on the agenda. 1. Prompt magic. I'll guide you using ChatGPT to create a prompt for a custom background that will fit your next video perfectly. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy library or a sleek modern office, ChatGPT has got you covered with all kinds of help. 2. Image magic. We'll use Leonardo as our AI image generator to create all sorts of amazing video backdrops. 3. Editing magic. We'll then use Canva to put the finishing touches on your video. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's get a few essentials out of the way. 1. Lighting. If you're going to be the one on camera, make sure you're filming in an area that is well lit. Good lighting is key. 2. Stability. Whether you're using your phone or a camera, make sure it's stable. A tripod is your best friend here. No shaky hands or wobbly footage, please. 3. Minimize movement. Keep your body movements minimal during filming. Excessive swaying or flailing arms can make background changes look jarring and unnatural later on when you're editing. Okay, let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT.com and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Next, log in. Simply type your question, called a prompt, in the chat box. Here's what we'll be asking ChatGPT to do for us today. Once you have all your prompts ready, let's go to Leonardo AI. Log into your account. Optionally, you could use another AI art generator if you wanted to, but for this video, we will be using Leonardo. We already have our image prompts thanks to ChatGPT, so let's enter them into the text box, one at a time. Remember, on the free plan, you get 150 tokens a day, so keep that in mind as you're making these. Once the image is generated, review it to make sure it meets your needs. You can tweak the prompt or regenerate the image if you need to. Then add the next prompt, and continue this process until you're done with all the images that you need. When you're satisfied with the results, download the images to your computer. Next, I encourage you to upscale them. You can do it inside Leonardo, but it costs a lot of credits. But there is a free workaround that is really good. DGB.lol. In fact, they have a few different upscales there, so go and see which one gives you the best results for free. DGB.lol has a lot of great tools, but since it is free, it is also slow. So once you've added your files to be upgraded, feel free to work on other things in the meantime until they are finished. Here are my completed files, ready to be downloaded to my computer. Head over to Canva.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. On the homepage, look for YouTube thumbnail to get the perfect dimensions for your video background and click on it. There's a free version and a paid version of Canva. The free version works in many cases, But to do what I'm about to show you, you'll definitely need the paid version. So watch this. Import your downloaded images into Canva. Open the video you want to use that you've already filmed on your camera or phone, drag it onto the timeline, and layer your chosen background behind. Once you've uploaded your video footage to Canva, drag it to the background you'll be using and adjust the size as necessary. Click on BG Remover, and boom, it's gone. Depending on what you filmed, more than likely there is a wall or something behind you that is covering up everything else. So, we've got to get rid of that. That's where the BG Remover tool shines. Using the BG Remover is so amazingly quick and fast, but you have to be on a paid plan to use it. Still, I highly recommend it. Let's see that one more time. Lastly, here's the big tip I promised you before. Using pre-made mockups is a great way to save time and get professional results without having to design everything from scratch. My best tip to you for using pre-made mockups would be to visit Creative Fabrica. They have loads of them there, in all sorts of styles, and many are pretty cheap. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mockups to see which one best suits your project. Finally, when you're happy with your video, download it. And that's it. You've just created a stunning background for your videos using Canva and an AI image creator. Now you can present your content from an office, the beach, or even outer space if you want, even if you really recorded it at home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI.